Welcome to Learn with Savi. Today we will learn about the pH scale. The pH scale is used to measure how acidic or basic a solution is. It's also used to compare solutions' pH. The scale ranges from 0 to 14, since most liquids are within that range. However, it is possible for a solution to have a pH lower than 0 or higher than 14. Anything below 7 are acids, and 7 is known as the neutral, as pure water is the pH of 7, and anything more than 7 are bases. So the further left we go to the pH scale, it gets more acidic, and the more right we go, it gets more basic. So remember, strong acids and bases can burn us, so we must wear appropriate safety equipment. Every time pH changes by 1, it has a difference of 10 times. For example, let's say we have a substance that has the pH of 4. Now it has the pH of 3, which means that the substance that has the pH of 3 is 10 times more acidic. Acids often taste sour and are usually used for food preservations. For example, vinegar, lemon juice, tomatoes, all are acids. The bases taste bitter and feel slimy and slippery, and they're usually used for cleaning products. So anything that you use to clean, like soap, bleach, baking soda, toothpaste, everything of those will be on the basis. How can we measure pH? We can use the universal indicator, which comes in liquid or paper form, or we can use litmus paper. Litmus paper can tell us if a liquid is acidic or basic. It cannot tell us how strong the acid or base is. So to use litmus paper, we use the blue litmus paper to test for acidic, and then we use the red litmus paper to test for basic substances. However, if both the paper color doesn't change, it means it's a neutral. And if the blue litmus paper stayed blue, it means it's a base. And if a red litmus paper stayed red, it means it's an acid. Universal indicator can tell us how strong an acid or base is, since it will change the color depending on the strength. We use liquid universal indicator by adding it to the solution, and we use the universal indicator paper like litmus paper. We put the litmus paper into the solution, and then in the universal indicator paper form, we are given an instruction paper like this. Then we need to compare our result with this instruction paper, and we can then see what pH our substance is. So neutralization means returning to the pH of 7. So the reaction is when a base neutralizes an acid. It creates salt plus water. For instance, if we have vinegar, which is an acid, and then baking soda, which is a base, so it neutralizes and returns to the pH of 7. It gives us salt plus water. Please subscribe and comment on any topics you would like me to cover.